So first day, first show over of this costliest Indian film as it's being described, 600 crore rupees film. And you managed to see the early morning show. What's your reaction?
It was good, mind-blowingly cooked. I mean, honestly, the aftermath, we didn't get up for some time. All of us were in such shock. It was so good.
Very overwhelmed you sound.
Yeah, the world building was just out top-notch. The dialogues, the comedic. I mean, Prabhas is back.
Okay, you're surely a Prabhas fan.
Yeah, it crossed everyone's expectations. Definitely, I think best film in the past few years. Prabhas is back.
Nagi cooked. It was so well written. It's pretty good.
Okay. Picturizing this entire thing, what did you think of the film?
No, it's the most electrifying movie coming from an Indian filmmaker. Nag Ashwin has done every Indian proud, especially Telugus. I think the highlight of the film is it's 180 minutes of unbridled, electrifying entertainment. There is not even one dull moment in the film. The laser writing has been very sharp, and all characters have been etched out very well. There's been some extraordinary cameos by Vijay Devarkonda, by Rajamouli, Ram Gopal Verma. You never expect Ram Gopal Verma in a mainstream film like this.
Can't be a spoiler for the rest of the people who are watching it.
And mind-blowing 50th memorable background score by Santosh Narayan. He has done everybody wrong by saying that he was the right choice for the music director. Take a bow, Nag Ashwin and the Chalasani family, fantastic. And
we now have to wait for part 2. That's the disappointing part.
That's the revelation in the end. They don't even make a fuss about it, right? It just came in the end titles that the Kalki universe will continue. Fantastic. Amazing performances by Amitabh Bachchan, Kamal Haasan and Prabhas.
Okay, that's quite overwhelming. I have here a film critic and another journalist as well who managed to see the film. What's your initial reaction, Rajeshwari?
Well, I was supremely proud. We, Telugu film industry, could make a film like this. For many decades, we've been hearing about how, why can't we make this such kind of films is what we hear when we watch a English film. I mean, multiverse, DC Comics, Marvel. I think in that sense, this film has used technology so well. The cameos, I mean, what such kind of a film, a superhero film needs, it all has it all. Plus with an Indian ethic in the sense of Mahabharata. So that's something which will connect, and I think I was super connected with the film, except that for the length, I think I don't have any other problem with the film.
Manju, were you able to connect with the film? Did it work for you?
No, I'm not a sci-fi buff. I hoped it would. I think it took a lot of time to build up the kind of pace that I want. So I was kind of not so happy with the first half, but I think towards the end, it kind of really reached a kind of a pinnacle, but not my kind of movie.
Okay, not your kind of film. How did it work for you? Did you manage to see the film already?
Yes, already saw it. The history of the Mahabharata has been controlled Kalki movie. It's an extraordinary movie. Each and every scene is a good song. Prabhas, Deepika Padukone, Amitabh Bachchan and Kamalji, extraordinary acting.
Okay.
Yeah, the movie was amazing and the direction by Nag Ashwin was extremely excellent. I think this was not written by Vyas Maharshi, not written by Ganapati. And the acting by Amitabh Bachchan and Prabhas, it's mind-blowing. I think everyone will enjoy this movie, and this is not, I cannot mention this in a single genre. Prabhas was excellently dealt in this movie, and Nag Ashwin, man, take a blow.
Okay, the scenes between Amitabh and Prabhas were really quite stunning. I mean, did they kind of take you there?
Just one word, it's Prabhas' mass euphoria, and kudos to Nag Ashwin for bringing such concept to us. Yeah, really enjoyed the movie.
Okay, really enjoyed the movie. That seems to be the verdict. I'll end here with going there as well and showing you that film, Buji, that car, Buji, which takes quite an important role in this entire film.